Start.
Quantum energy. The existence is total quantum energy. It's a quantum life, quantum living, because that trees, the birds, the animals, the mountains, and the ocean, they're all quantum energy. And once you become a quantum energy, you become the existence. And the existence is total quantum in nature. But human beings are totally conditioned. It is not their fault because instinct, the body is in the present, but it's totally conditioned. And the intellect is totally conditioned. And intuition gives you only 1% of consciousness, 99% you are unconscious. The quantum energy, it is I am totally quantum. I'm totally living moment to moment. I've become totally energy. And that is what a life is. And that's what happened to my 5 children. My 5 children, especially my second girl, is totally enlightened. Shrindra, who is doing my video, he's enlightened. I can feel that. I can see that. And I have 8 grandchildren. They all are understand the what you call intellectual mind. That's a totally what you call a positive and negative together. That means you can turn one way the other way. This is the intellectual mind. That the intellectual mind is totally conditioned, but they understand to become totally conscious, and they're living moment to moment. And that's what I'm living, moment to moment. And that's what the whole existence is. And I have become the total existence, and that's what a life is. I will become the governor of the state of Florida in 2026, and that will be a beautiful thing. And we are going to wake up people up. Now I'm in India, and I am close to Lulu Mall, and we have got a place now where we call a quantum healing, orgasmic healing, orgasmic foundation. Orgasmic world has an orgasmic foundation, and that's what we're doing. And that's because we're living moment to moment, and that is a quantum living, quantum energy. Energy is neither created nor destroyed. The first law of thermodynamics, the energy converts from one form to another form, and that is the first law of thermodynamics. Second law of thermodynamics is the energy is converted from one form to another form, and that part of get dissipated is called the entropy, entropy. And that's what I will be, and that's what happened to all of us. That happened to Baba Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He says, Ek Omkar, existence is all one. Satnam is a truth. Karta Purakh, the existence is one who does everything right and wrong. It is the existence which is living in the present, moment to moment. Nirpau, the existence has not afraid of anybody. Nirvair, the existence has no animosity with anybody. Existence is totally pure. It is only the conditioning, intellectual mind, which is totally fallible, negative and positive. The instinct body is infallible, and intuition gives you 1% of consciousness, 99% you are unconscious, and that is also infallible. And I am totally living moment to moment, and totally what we call a quantum energy. And that's what Arvind, who just came, and I felt him, he felt it, and he can become the same thing. Everybody can become totally conscious and living in the present, moment to moment, and become life. And that is all. Breathing in the life, breathing out, the life goes away. And that is the second law of thermodynamics. And that's what happened to all of us. Unfortunately, we are totally conditioned, and that is all over the world. But I am here in India now, and we are in front of Lulu Mall. We have opened a place, and that is called the Orgasm World Foundation. I love you all. Thank you very much.